Welcome everybody. We're still in Kyoto. It's nighttime. Yeah, it's still getting dark pretty early in Japan. I mean, it's still winter. That was a great cafe though. I really enjoyed that place. It was called Wood Note, Cafe Wood Note. And it was like everything in the cafe was like custom made wooden stuff. And it was also, I guess the note aspect was that it was all like music themed, like it was a lot of like Irish music. A really cool cafe. Like everything to the smallest little detail was made of wood. I can't imagine like how somebody goes about, decking out a place like that or getting that built. Or maybe the guy is like a carpenter or something. Yeah, it was really cool. I was glad that I found that place. For my trips lately, Greece and Tokyo and the second Tokyo one, I'd been using the Verizon travel pass for my phone, which is basically like not a great deal if you're doing it over a long stretch of time, but if you're doing it for like a week, it's fine. Which is that it's $10 a day, and you get like half a gig of data, and you get unlimited calls and texts anywhere international. And Greece was supposed to be a week because I got sick in Greece. I ended up being a little longer, but that was planned to be a week. First Tokyo was a week. Second Tokyo was like 10 days. So they were all manageable, but this trip, since I'm here for a month, I was like, okay, well, it's definitely not, it's not economical idea to use this $10 a day thing, because then it's going to cost me like $350 or something. So I was looking for to buy a SIM card over here, which I guess they have, but I had a hell of a time trying to find one. All the SIM cards, I know I've gotten one before at the airport, but I didn't get it at the airport this time. And I figured okay, well, I'm gonna go to a SIM card store. My logic was there are probably worse deals at the airport because it's the airport. So it's well, I'm gonna go to one of those stores that sells SIM cards, and they'll probably have a better deal. But everywhere I went, the only kinds of SIM cards they would sell is either, you know, the ones that you like subscribe to a plan, which obviously I don't want, or if it was a prepaid thing, it was only data, which is not the worst thing in the world, but I kind of would rather have calling as well, just in case I'm, you know, you never know what's going to happen, but like if you're in an area that has like no data service, it's like, well, okay, now I can't use any of the functions that I wanted to use. So anyway, I was looking into all that stuff, and I found out that Verizon actually had another plan that I never knew about, which is that you can get a month of calling, texting, and I think it's like 20 gigs total of data for that month, instead of resetting the half gig every day, which is fine because I'm kind of used to not using data anyway when I'm international, unless I'm connected to Wi-Fi. So it's that stuff. You're getting a month of all of the services, and it's $100 for that month, which is great because that's way less than the other version would have cost. So I'm pretty happy that I found that. And that's also almost the same as what the SIM cards that only had data would have cost. So yeah, I'm glad that I discovered that. And a pro tip for anybody who's going on an international trip, I suppose, since the $10 a day thing exists, if you're going for more than 10 days, you should get the month plan, and it's, you know, cheaper than it would have been if you paid by the day. And it's nice to, obviously, to not have to switch out your SIM card and, you know, worry about anything. The coffee culture in Japan is really good. Like, they're very serious about their coffee. When you go to a coffee shop, like, they don't just like like put the thing, instant coffee in the thing and press a button. Like, it take them like more than 5 minutes to get you a coffee at any cafe I've been to in Japan. It takes like a long time for them to get you the coffee because they're like really making it, you know, grinding the thing and doing the thing and the other thing, this, that. It's always very like impressive. No, I'm good. No, I'm good. Nothing sticks out to me in the machine there. a nice little night walk in Kyoto. Hope you enjoyed the show. That's gonna do it for this one. And I'll see you next time. Don't know what I'll be doing, but it will be in Japan. On a couple of them, I even did a couple of sketches of like a bar that I was in, or like cafe bar thing, and then like the view out the window. Some of the shows, since I'm in public, I just completely turn off the mic, which I'm sure you will have noticed. But yeah, I don't want to like pick up people's voices and stuff. But hopefully you still enjoy the show. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.